If only our users never made a mistake, never missed a required field, and always knew the constraints for each input element, we would not need validation. But I don't think we can make that assumption. Welcome back to Angular 2 Reactive Forms from Pluralsight. My name is Deborah Kurata, and in this module we look at form validation the reactive way. The template-driven technique for validating form data is to specify appropriate validation attributes in the HTML. These validation rules determine if the user's entry is right or wrong. But what if it depends? What if we want to adjust the validation logic based on the user or on the state of the application? For example, we could perform different validation for administrators, giving them more flexibility than normal users. Or we could validate differently based on the user's selection. If the user selects notification by text, phone is required. If by email, the email address is required. With reactive forms, we have much more control and can handle validation rules that specify right, wrong, or it depends. In this module, we examine how to set built-in validation rules in the component class, such as required and max length. We look at how to adjust those rules at runtime based on desired criteria. We build a custom validator for the ultimate in validation flexibility. We expand our custom validator by passing in parameters. That way we can make our custom validator more generalized and reusable. But sometimes it's not enough to validate a single input element. We'll cover cross-field validation and see how to validate a set of input elements as a group. Let's get started.